For which values of A and B does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? Infinite number of solution means what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Infinite many solutions. Okay, now here your A1 is equal to your how much? 2. B1 is equal to 3. C1 is equal to -7 in equation 1. Now your equation 2. A2 is equal to A minus B, comma B2 is equal to A plus B, C2 is equal to your minus 3A plus B minus 2. Okay, now putting this condition A1, so 2 by A1 by A2, A minus B is equal to 3 by A plus B is equal to minus 7 by minus, okay, 3A plus B minus 2, minus minus cancel. Now these two first solve. 2 by A minus B is equal to 3 by A plus B. First, second, then we will take second and third. Okay, that implies your 2 into A plus B is equal to 3 into A minus B. That implies 2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B. That implies 2A plus 2B minus 3A plus 3B is equal to 0. Okay, so that implies your minus A plus 5B is equal to 0. This is your, let's say, equation number 3. Now second and third. What is 3 by A plus B is equal to 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. That implies 3 into 3A plus B minus 2 is equal to 7 into A plus B. That implies your 9A plus 3B minus 6 is equal to 7A plus 7B. That implies your 9A minus 7A plus 3B minus 7B minus 6 is equal to 0. That implies your 2A minus 4B is equal to 6. That implies your A minus 2B is equal to 3. How? Dividing both sides by 2. Okay, so this is your equation number 4. Now here in equation 3 and equation 4 we have to find out what? The value of A and B by the method of cross multiplication. So okay, so here A, B, C, A1, B1, C1. So what is value? Here see again from this equation. A1 is equal to -1, B1 is equal to 5 and C1 is equal to 0. Now here A2 is equal to your 1, B2 is equal to your -2 and C2 is equal to your -3. C2. Okay. So B1 by B2 5A B1. So B1 5 by 5 minus 2, not by, we can write here. Then your C 0 minus 3. Then your A minus 1, 1. Then here again b, 5 minus 2. So these cross multiplication, this, a, b, 1. Okay. So a by how much you are getting? 5 minus 3 minus 15 minus into minus plus 0 is equal to, that is equal to b by 0 minus plus minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus plus 2 minus 5. That implies here a by minus 15 is equal to b by minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 3. So that implies here a by minus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 3. That implies a is equal to minus 15 by minus 3. That implies a is equal to 5. Again, b by minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 3. That implies b is equal to minus 3 by minus 3. That implies b is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1 is the required solution of the given bit 2i. Now move on to question number 2, bit i. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solutions? No solution. No solution means no solution. No solution. No solution means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So here a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 1 and c1 is equal to minus 1 this side. Now a2 is equal to 2k minus 1. Your b2 is equal to k minus 1 and c2 is equal to minus 2k plus 1. Minus 2k plus 1. Now here we have two conditions. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. So a1 3 by a2 2k minus 1 is equal to b1 1 by b2 k minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2k plus 1. So minus cancelled. Now tally this first one first. So 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. That implies 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. That implies 3k minus 2k minus 1 plus 3. That implies k is equal to 2. This condition. Second one, come to 1 by k minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. This is your not equal to. This is your not equal to. Not equal. Okay. Now that implies 2k plus 1 not equal to k minus 1. That implies 2k minus k not equal to minus 1 minus 1. That implies k not equal to minus 2. Therefore, k is equal to 2 or k not equal to minus 2 is the required solution. So note it down. Now move to question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication method. So first we'll solve it by the method of substitution. Then we'll go for cross multiplication. Okay. What are the equations given? 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Equation 1. Then 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Equation 2. Now here this implies equation 2. 2y is equal to 4 minus 3x. That implies y is equal to 4 minus 3x by 2. Now substituting the value of y in equation 1, we will get equation 1 8x plus 5 into 4 minus 3x by 2 is equal to 9. That implies 16x plus 20 minus 15x whole divided by 2 taking LCM is equal to 9. That implies x plus 20 is equal to 2 into 19. That implies x is equal to 18 minus 20. That implies x is equal to minus 2. Now, putting the value of x in y, we will get, what we will get? Y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 4 minus 3x by 2. That is equal to 4 minus 3x. 3 into minus 2 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 is the answer in the method of substitution. Now, we will go for the method of what? Cross multiplication. Here, so cross multiplication, here x, y, 1, x, y, 1. Now, b1 by b2, what is b1? Here, write first b1. Okay, we will write a1 is equal to 8, b1 is equal to 5, c1 is equal to minus 9, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to your 2 and c2 is equal to your minus 4. So xy1, here I will write again xy1. It will be easy for you. So b1 by b2, 5, 2. Now c1 minus 9, minus 4. Then your a1 8, 3. Then your b1 and 5, 2. So this is your cross multiplication. X, y, 1. So x by minus 20 plus 18 is equal to y by minus 27 plus 32 is equal to 1 by 16 minus 15. Okay, that implies x by minus 2 is equal to y by 5 is equal to 1 by 1. That implies x is equal to x by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 1. That implies x is equal to minus 2. And y by 5 is equal to 1. That implies y is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. So, this is the required solution. Note it down.